first thing I want to inform this august house that artificial intelligence based facial recognition attendance application, this is what I want to launch from 1st August. We have already carried out the tests, the trials. We have geo-mapped every panchayat. Our officers or our people have gone to all the panchayats to collect the data and feed it. The key features of Niyamit scheme, Goa mobile application, one-time facial enrollment. In this AI, when it is used, there are 70 unique facial features ensuring accurate identification throughout an employee service. Liveliness detection. The system verifies liveliness during attendance capture, preventing tampering or misuse by verifying real-time user presence. Peer attendance. Employees without a mobile device can use a colleague's phone to mark attendance, ensuring no disruption in attendance marking. The most important one, geo-tagging for location accuracy. All village panchayats and sub-offices have been geo-tagged, which will ensure that attendance is marked only from designated locations. The application verifies the geo-coordinates when attendance is marked by the employee. If attendance is marked outside the designated area, employees must provide a valid reason for administrative reasons and approval. This saves time, improves productivity, ensures genuine reporting for on-site works offline. Attendance can be marked without network connectivity and auto synchronization later. Centralized real-time dashboard enables monitoring and data-driven decision-making across all services.